There is an impending law in Tennessee that could lead to the arrest of people who don't have homes for sleeping on public land.
And even though Governor Bill Lee didn't sign the bill, citing concerns about how it will impact the homeless, him deciding not to veto it means it will still become law. News Channel 5's Kyle Horan talked with advocates today who say this will add considerable fear to a vulnerable group of people.
There are many people that are in homeless advocacy that say that Governor Bill Lee deciding not to veto a bill that would make it illegal to camp in public places is a travesty, because those people, a lot of them, are trying to get off the streets, but that is a process that takes a lot of time, and this doesn't help. Oh. At the Colby's Army Barn in Ashland City, Liz Mallard continues in her passion of the last couple years working with horses. But her life was not always this peaceful. Before August of last year, she was homeless.
I know I was very, very malnourished, and the drinking definitely had a big part in it.
We were there when homeless advocates helped her get into Section 8 housing. It was this move that opened up access to health care that she desperately needed. She's been on the mend for the past few months and is feeling much better. But many of her friends are still on the streets, and it worries her that a new bill Governor Lee is allowing to become law could make that a felony.
They're not given an opportunity, they're just pushed aside. With this bill being passed, they're getting arrested and punished, sent to jail for things that are out of their control.
It creates a felony for camping on public land, a misdemeanor for camping under state bridges and overpasses. It also creates disappointment for Mallard, who says this solves nothing but creates fear.
It's scary to know if asking for a meal is going to get you arrested. It's scary to think that you trying to find a place to sleep is going to put you in jail.
Governor Lee has claimed to be a homeless advocate. Mallard asks, how can that be true?
Letting it slip through the cracks is maybe worse than actually seeing it, just kind of putting it on the back burner and not even addressing it. And for an advocate of the homeless, that just doesn't really fit.
Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
Supporters of the law have said the homeless are taking over parks and other public areas, such as West Nashville's Brookmead Park, which was the area Mallard used to call home.